SQL should be enough.
Yes.
Others, please. Others, I'll wait. Basics of SQL.
Yeah, that's a got you.
Yep. Fine. We'll start from the scratch carefully. Let's understand what is Power BI, why we need it. Okay, we'll start from the scratch, very basics. And then we'll continue for the installation process today and slowly start with the basic report design. Okay, we'll start from the scratch carefully. Need your support. Please, some observation notes, a scribbling pad and a pen, please. Need your support. Please get a scribbling pad and a pen. We'll start our session slowly from scratch. We are all very new to Power BI, right? We'll start from the scratch, everyone. Please confirm. Please confirm mic
Yes.
with everyone, please. Yes. We'll start from the scratch, everyone. Please, I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Others, please confirm. We'll start from the scratch, everyone. Please confirm,
Yes.
please.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. It has been responsive. One email sent just now with the class notes. Please check. Thank you. Attendees have been responsive. One email sent just now with the class notes for today. That includes small introduction notes plus curriculum and installation basic report design. Agenda for today's class, okay? Plus data source we need for the basic report design. Email sent just now, kindly check. You'll do the practice after the class anyway. For easy reference, I have sent the complete information just now. Might be on the way, and we'll start from scratch slowly, step by step. Yes, friends. Already sent, might be on the way. Already sent, might be on the way. Let's understand slowly. In the meantime, let's introduce ourselves to the course. Once again, thank you, attendees have been responsive for my questions. Let's make it interactive. Let's make it interesting. Let's make it interactive. Let's make it interesting. Okay, we'll do it slowly, step by step now. We'll see. Well, so what is this? Power BI. Let's understand slowly, step by step. Let's understand agenda for today's class. What is Power BI? Why we need to go for it? What we do in Power BI at our job desk and how we do to start from the scratch. Let's go slowly, step by step. What is Power BI and why it is needed for us? This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practice orientation from scratch, right from the basics. From today's class, it's all about practice. Every day you have assignments. From today, you will submit your assignments on time. Please, everyone. Yes, please. I'll wait. Yes, please, everyone. You will
Yes, sir.
submit your assignments on time. Please respond. Please, I'll wait.
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Let's continue. Thank you so much. Let's continue. Now, let's understand what is Power BI, why we need it. Hope you received the notes in the meantime. I'll wait. Hope you received the notes in the meantime, right? Yep. Hope you received the notes in the meantime.
Yeah, I received it. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yep. Others, we will have interested, interactive participants in the class. Really, friends, a demo class, right? I should be careful. I should be cautious. I repeat again, friends, I will have interested interactive participants. You will have a techie loving trainer for you. I love my subject. I will have nice interactive filtered participants. You will have a techie loving filtered trainer for you. My duty, I'll do it carefully from bottom of my heart. It's a demo class, hence I'll be cautious. Email sent for interactive participants who are responding to my questions so far till now. I was telling please, please. That please is actually more than a
May not
request. Let's get started now. Let's get started. Let's observe carefully. I am just documenting the emails of the participants who are responsive for my questions, and our team is sending the emails for them.
Sir, I haven't
Others,
received the
others, we have to showcase our things, right? We have to showcase. Please respond. Please respond means we have to respond. We have to start our class now. Let's get started slowly. Next question, you are waiting. For next question, you are waiting, and I am waiting. You are waiting for next question. I'm waiting for your next response. Let's make our class interactive. Reason, it is not a small cool cake. It is beautiful, colorful, useful. At the same time, it is vast. There are more than 500 keywords we need to learn in our classes. Please, let's make our course useful.
So I didn't
And
get it though, sir.
you will get it, sir, once I hear answer from you, sir, for the next question, sir. Let's get started now. What is Power BI? Power BI is a suite of business analytic tools to perform reporting and analytics. What is this? Very simple, friends. Thank you, at least you've been responsive. Let's observe carefully. You have some data with you, okay? We are going to do the example anyway. Next few minutes we'll do the example today. Others, please don't mistake me. I should be cautious. Course would be correctly delivered. Yes or no, friends? Tell me, friends. It's a demo class, right? If I am
yes,
cautious,
sir.
things will be correct, right? Yes or no?
Right.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Let's think practically, friends. Let's think. It's like, you see, money comes and goes. Money comes and goes, but name and fame will not come again and again. Day and night, I'm more worried about it. Money comes and goes, but our resume, our responsiveness, our subject, our knowledge is our future. For me, my careful classes and cautious learners are the future, and I'll do for it. Let's get started now. What is Power BI? A suite of tools. It is a set of tools. We are going to install and work with 7 different tools. Remember, 7 different tools. Okay. For what? For reporting and analytics. Please stay tuned, friends. We have questions after some time. Okay. Please, I want you to continue with me from tomorrow. Let's have 100% response rate. I need it, please. Everyday assignments, 100% submission. I need it, please. Please, I beg you. I touch your feet and beg you. I need it. I need
Yes, sir.
response. That's it. Please help me. Let's get started. There will be some questions after some time. Please. Suite of tools. Hope you are ready with your observation notes. I was requesting you to have your observation notes ready. Let's understand what we are learning. Things are super duper easy. Trust me, I will make them easy for you. You will love the subject. You will love the subject. Let's be together. Power BI, a collection of tools. We know MS Office, MS Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook, so on. Same way, Power BI is also a collection of tools. Remember, what are those tools? We'll take there. We'll take it. We'll take it to the particular screen there in next few minutes. But for what? For data storage and dashboards. For reporting and self-service BI. Dashboard means a collection of reports put together. Self-service BI means customers can generate their own reports. Now, I get a question. If customers can generate their own report, what I do then? There we are. We are supposed to format the data. We are supposed to make the data ready for reporting. That is our actual duty. What is our duty again? It's not just reporting. Remember, reporting is a ground level or level 1, tier 1. Junior Power BI developers duty is report design, remember. But as we gain experience, we need to play with data. We need to make sure we slice, dice and chop the data in a careful way so that end users can really enjoy it in no time, consume it in less time. So there comes Power BI, a sample report we are going to do together in next initial few classes. And few more. This is what a dashboard means, a collection of report elements for easy end user access. So main advantage of Power BI, cheaper, easier, user friendly, faster analytics, cloud reporting and on-premise reporting activities.
Sir, I'm sorry to interrupt. Are you
This is
sharing
Power
anything on
BI.
screen?
Sorry brother, tell me again, please tell me. What is it, sir? Tell me.
Yeah. Are you sharing anything on screen? I'm not able to see anything on screen.
Oh my God. Please reconnect again, sir. Please reconnect again. Please.
I can see.
Reconnect, sir.
We can see.
Yeah,
Sure,
I
sure.
understand.
I'll finish.
Actually, others can see. Actually, I'll be using dual monitors here, different networks, different computers, so I can verify the things actually, no problem. Rakesh, I think, please make sure, sir, like you reconnect from your desktop. I could see you logged in from your mobile. For best results, please use desktop or laptop, please. My kind request. Let's continue. Where we are now? Yes, we are into Power BI advantages. From there, career path. Power BI is actually a part of Power Platform. Remember, we cannot see Power BI isolated. Okay, Power BI is not really an isolated entity. It is a part of something called Power Platform entity. Remember, a Power Platform entity involves Power BI plus Power Apps, Power Pages, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent and SharePoint integrations. Our course is into here 1 month journey. It's more into analytics, reporting, only reporting, output. Power Apps, input and output, both input, output. We can insert data using Power Apps pages or Power Apps. We can insert data into database like a front end. It's a front end for input and a front end for output reporting, both. Power BI only for reporting, output. Power Apps, user interface for input and output both, to make it easier. Now this Power BI, the main component, the very first initial component of Power Platform from Microsoft, for more than almost 12 to 13 years, it is there in the market. And it is very useful for engineers, analysts, BI developers and data scientists. Each of these job roles have their own certifications. That includes Power BI. For example, data science, DA 100, it has Power BI in it. Data analyst, PL 300. Data engineer, DP 203, DP 203 and DP 600. They have Power BI inside the certification curriculum. So Power BI is so great. Any type of data we can happily report. Our learning plans. You learn SQL from us or on your own or from some other trusted sources. Learn SQL and then step into Power BI. Basics of SQL should be fine to step into Power BI. This is our actual course from today, the 4 weeks journey. Planned for PL300 data analyst, Microsoft data analyst. For starter profiles, only Power BI is enough. For experienced profiles, step 3 is required. Pair Power BI, pair it up with either Azure Data Engineer or Python. Python, Power BI, data analyst, business analyst, and data scientist, DA 100 exam. This is the number I was pronouncing few moments back. Or Azure engineering, data engineers, BI developers, and DP 600 examination pattern. For experienced profiles, we need either of these two boxes in addition to Power BI. So what we are going to learn in our classes? In our classes, in Power BI, we are going to work with basic to advanced report design, latest updated visualizations with AI, artificial intelligence, AI components part of our course. 50 plus examples on something called DAX, 50 plus examples on something else called Power Query and cloud. What are these? We'll take them in next few minutes today. Something called server, various data sources, use case scenarios. This is a minimal curriculum, I can promise you. Participants who are responding more, asking more questions, submitting answers on time will get more and more. That's my moral duty. I'll continue. I repeat, participants who are responding more, submitting assignments on time, asking me more questions after every example will get more and more. Practice on time, we can get nice questions, right? We know it. Let's make sure, friends, we do it for ourselves in a careful way, in a proper way. I need your support. And our journey should continue even after the course. For examination guidance, interview guidance, resume support, and LinkedIn references if you want it. It's part of our course. We need to do it carefully, step by step. Next, from here, what we are going to learn in Power BI, here it is. SQL, make sure you revise all the basics. This particular complete sheet, day-wise planner, to be sent on email for the interested interactive participants. And day 1 to day 7, please revise. Day 1 to day 7 of SQL, please revise them. That should be enough to step into Power BI. Day 1 to day 7, basic activities should be enough to step into Power BI. In our classes today, we are into day 1. We call it demo or introduction class, but it's a two-way demo actually. I need to test my participants need to test me to verify and judge whether we can gel together or not, right? We need it. So day 1 today we are into installation. We'll do it slowly next few minutes. From tomorrow comes basic report design, grouping, binning, slicer, bookmarks, filters, big data access, and so on. There are total 16 concepts we learn in initial 50% of the course with various scenarios. First module is for visualizations, we'll be learning. Second module is for Power Query and cloud. Third module for DAX and report server activities with report admin, Power BI admin concepts. Now let's understand what is this Power Query, what is DAX, why we need it. I will make it as simple as I can, and then we go for questions. Let's get started slowly, step by step. What is reporting first? In next 5 minutes from now, we need to come to a conclusion. What is Power Query? What is DAX? What is Power BI Cloud? For that, let's start from the scratch. What is reporting? A mechanism to access and present any type of data to the end users. What is Power BI? A set of free tools. Friends, how many tools we have? Please, you remember I was mentioning some time back. Please, everyone, let's learn together. Please help me, please. How many
Yes, sir.
tools? 7, right?
7
Okay,
different
7.
things.
Okay, remember 7 tools. Remember 7 tools. What are they? My notes has the answer. Our notes has the answer on the second page. We'll go there. Okay. Set of free tools. Swati, sister, please check your mic, please. Check your mic, please. Please help me, please. A set of free tools to design reports and with end-to-end implementation. End-to-end means right from data extraction to validation, report design, hosting, and end user access. Remember, what is that? Very simple. Yesterday, Sunday, beside my apartment in Hyderabad, I will be staying in Hyderabad, Madurai, pillar number 1490, metro pillar number. Okay, you have my complete details or there in my LinkedIn profile because I have home office as well there. Okay? And Sunday market. Really, let me come to the example in a simple way. Sunday market. I extract some vegetables, validate them. Over ripened tomatoes, my ladies will not accept at my home. Okay, my ladies means my mom and my wife. Okay, very strict, very selective on the vegetables, and I am selective on the taste of the curries. That's different. Now extract the content, right, and then go to the kitchen area. In the kitchen area, what they do, they slice and dice the data, right? That is Power Query. Remember. So we extract data from the market. Okay, go to kitchen area, clean, slice, dice. That is Power Query. Okay, and then remember this example works for our course. Let's understand what is what simple way. And next, once we come out, close and apply we call. I said 50 examples. I said, right? I'll show you the notes as well in next few minutes. 50 examples, and then once we come here, then we are going to cook the report. Report is what we are going to cook here. Okay. And then what next? Sunday, right? Guests are in. So some garnishing. That is DAX. That is garnishing is DAX. Adding extra decoration to your report, like star rating, dynamically saying hello, Sai, good morning. These kind of interactions and forecasts, analytics, etc. So all kind of extra decorations on report is what DAX mean. So kitchen area Power Query, ETL we call. Then report is coming up. Finally DAX. Then what next? From there, take away or dine in. Take away or dine in. Take away cloud. We can embed the report in blogs, websites, apps, wherever you want. Or dine in. Go to the dining table and enjoy the food. That is report server. And I mean, the report is hosted, the report is stored within your company's network. That is Power BI report server. Let me put this way. Our job role, we need to access data, various formats of data. And some data can be, or some amount of data can be directly reported, it's already pre-formatted. And other kind of data, we need to format it first, report it next. During report design, we may need to have extra requirements from the customer to do some extra calculations, star rating or other computations and calculations like running totals, calculating the average of multiple items, or generating age from date of birth, like that. Calculations, computations. And finally, report is given to either cloud or report server. Now let's assume Power BI is a star hotel. Okay, assume, friends, I assume we are all very new and you're interested. Let's observe carefully. Power BI is a star hotel. Okay, now in this star hotel, Chinese, Indian, Asian, Mexican, Italian, etc. Multi-cuisine. So different restaurants to suit the taste buds of different customers, right? And at the end of the day, they use the same raw material, right? They use the same supplier raw material. Left side veg, right side non-veg. I mean non-database content, database content is what we need to learn from tomorrow. Then once we extract data from various tools, I said 7 tools, you see 6 here. 7th one is barbecue. Trust me, my example wins by end of the course. Gateway, live data, live refresh we call, like a barbecue. Now 6 design tools, they keep designing reports, either Zomato, Swiggy, takeaway, or a la carte dine-in report server. Takeaway, again, only reports, dashboards like a platter or a parcel, something like that. We are going to learn one by one, but remember there are 6 design tools, okay, and 2 hosting environments. Power Query is supported by few tools, DAX is supported by few other tools. We need to learn them slowly, step by step. This is the Power BI ecosystem. So 6 design tools, 1 data refreshing tool, connection between a source and cloud called data gateway, with cloud and report server, 2 hosting environments. One is like a takeaway, anyone can use a report. Other one more secured, you have to come to and connect to the company's network to use the report. Defense agencies, internal projects, government agencies, they use report server. Social sites or any kind of regular public access websites, they use Power BI cloud. So total 9 different items we need to learn one by one. There are 4 types of reports. We'll learn about them slowly, next level, one by one. I repeat again what we are learning. What is reporting? A mechanism to access and present any type of data. Set of free tools, 6 design tools, 1 gateway, total 7 tools we need to learn. So what we need to do? Access data and report directly. First few examples. Access data, model the data. Model means here reshape it, make it look more beautiful and unique, and then report it. Dashboards, apps, security, admin activities we need to do carefully. So these are the job roles I am targeting in our classes from Power BI technology perspective. And here are the website links. I request you to just get some idea like what is what. For example, you are into data analyst, then we have Power BI data analyst associate from Microsoft. So whatever you see in data analyst course, we are going to learn in our classes, and that requires complete training plan. So what we are going to learn here before we go for questions, what we are going to learn? Revise SQL concepts, basics should be enough. Learn and experiment Power BI. We'll do it carefully from next class and involve in a project. We have one nice project on customer profitability. Make sure we do our best on the project work so that we can fill it up in our resume. I shall be guiding you for the installation step by step in all these items. No paid accounts required. Everything is free. Every tool is free. 1 to 7 are free. 8 cloud account I will provide you. Part of our classes. We pay for a cloud. I'll provide our cloud account, paid account to you. Part of our course. Report server, we have free and paid. I'll show you how to configure free account. So coming to installations and your practice, everything would be available ready. That part I will take care. On time practice, referring to the notes every day and everyday submission of assignments, project work, case studies, I want you to take care. Final part. Total of 18 chapters in our course. Plan for about 4.5 weeks. 3.5 weeks full length classes, and then 1 week you need to work on the project. You may take another extra 1 week also if required. Then we need to have one-to-one resume. During this gap itself, we'll have one-to-one resume. And anyone planning for or anyone attending the interviews, do let me know. I'll provide you the project solution upfront along with the concept-wise assignments and complete concept-wise FAQs, interview questions. I can provide upfront. It will be useful for your interviews in case. So first 6 chapters would be about visualizations, 50 concepts and scenarios. 7 to 12 Power Query and DAX. 50 examples each. 13 to 18 Cloud Service and Server. 50 work items. We call them work items. That includes analytics, dashboards, reporting, and something called semantic models, admin activities, scorecards, etc. Here is our course. We'll start with, right now we're in the introduction document. From here we need to slowly step into our next item. I'll just remove this one. Basic report design. We need to step into basic report design. We need to do next activity. And then after basic report design, we need to step into something called visual interactions, edit interactions, grouping, binning, hierarchy drill downs, bookmarks buttons. I plan the curriculum in such a way, a specific proper rhythm and the dependency with every concept wise FAQs and answers. I request you to make sure we do on-time practice throughout the course. That's very important for us. As and when required, we'll be having synopsis. For example, there are total 5 into 2, 10 items. Then comes 6 scenarios. Then again few more content, few more keywords. Again few more scenarios. And I was talking about 50 examples on Power Query. The 7, 8, 9 chapters. 7, 8, 9 chapters are about Power Query. I said kitchen area, right? For data extraction, transformation, loading activities, etc. So we have 55 examples on Power Query. Here and there we need to write few expressions as well, here and there. So I cannot say zero coding. There is, but very, very less code. Same way we have 50 examples on cloud and 50 examples on DAX. We'll do it slowly, step by step. Make sure we get print copies of the class notes in advance. You'll be receiving the class notes in advance. First 6 chapters, you'll be receiving the class notes from our team today. After enrollments, you'll be receiving first 6 chapters documents based on your course enrollment. Take print copies of them. Get them ready. Let's go traditional learning. It works. So get the print copies ready, a paper and a pen. You may write your running notes on the print copy or separately as you wish. Running notes includes only keywords, just keywords, no definitions, everything from the notes. And how the notes will be. For example, tomorrow we are going to have something called, of course, basic report design, then something called grouping binning. So what is what? What is grouping? What is binning? And step 1, step 2, 3 like this. And how to's with examples. Straight to the point. I respect your time. Every example will be in the same way. For example, let's take something called visual interactions or slicer and visual sync. Minor trouble with my MS Word, okay? Minor trouble with my MS Word. I'll just put this way. It's working fine now. For example, something called slicer sync. What is what? And straight to the game. This information should be enough for working on FAQs. So minimum 4 keywords we need to learn each day. Then we can do the required course in a proper time. It's not at all fast track course. It is a regular course, slow pace course only, but we hit the ball straight to the point. For that reason, need your support. And next, final part before we go for questions. Here are the concepts we are going to learn in our classes. Right from installation today to basic report design, something called visual interaction, edit interactions. These two are friends. Then grouping binning, 2 more friends. Again slicer visual sync, one dependent on the other. Without slicer, there is no visual sync. Without grouping, there is no binning. Without visual interaction, there is no edit interaction. So we need to learn from the chemistry point of view very carefully so that we are ready to address any kind of job requirement with ease. Visualizations first, Power Query concepts next, cloud items third, and DAX next. Along with, you'll be receiving the Excel file, the day-wise planner. We are into core Power BI cloud activities and the keyword checklist for your resume and for interview preparation. Along with the lab plan I was mentioning few minutes back. Let's do it slowly, step by step. Next, let's do the installation now. Let me show you how to install this software. Very simple and straight. For installation, you'll be receiving the required download link anyway. Once you download the software, you'll be receiving the download link. Once you download the software, then you need to do the actual installation. Simple, straightforward activity. Let me show you what it is, how it is. In the meantime, I just quickly open my notes, the next chapter notes. In the meantime, any questions, please get ready. So we are into our next activity called basic report design. You'll go through the introduction carefully today, please. That contains information, what is reporting, what we do at our job desk, purpose of Power Query, purpose of DAX, purpose of cloud, purpose of report server. Previous document, I request you to go through it carefully, taking a print copy. Our requirement now, how to install Power BI desktop tool, Windows 8 or higher operating system. Mac, Linux will not work for our classes. Windows OS is mandatory. Now, to make it clear and easy, once again, here is our actual plan. We need to have non-database sources for reporting, database sources for reporting. Both we need to learn in our classes. Various types of report design tools. Few are very simple and few others are too powerful, flexible. We need to test all these and then get them plated into our resume. Any questions so far, let me know. In the meantime, I just click on the earlier installation link and I'm getting the things downloaded now. Please let me know. Any questions so far? In the meantime, please, I'll wait, please.
Yeah, hi.
Sir, I did not get the mail.
Oh, 1 minute.
The mail you
Sure,
sent me.
I'll add it to the list. Sir, please give me some time. Sure, I'll do. Yeah, I'll do. Yeah.
Okay.
Others, please. Any more questions,
Yeah,
please? I'll wait.
even I didn't
Yeah,
receive the
even I
mail.
haven't received email. Ritesh this side, sir.
1 minute, sir. I'll send it now. I'll send it, sir. Ritesh, please. Anyone else, please?
Here, sir. Same here.
Yes, I have
I
not
didn't
received.
Same thing, sir. I didn't get the email too.
Sure, sir. I'm sending it now. I'm sending it now. I'll do. Sure.
I did not get it, Navesh.
Sure, Naresh. I'm sending it, sir. I'm sending it, sir. Sure, I'll do.
Sai, I
Who
have
else,
not
please?
received. Hanmat Kumar.
Hanuman. Yeah, sure. Got it, sir. Sure. I'm sending it. I'm sending it. Sure. Others,
Sir,
please.
Ashish,
Anyone
sir.
else? Anyone joined
Sir,
bit late? Let
this is Srivalata. I haven't received. Sai Satya did not receive.
Sure. I'm sending it, sister. I'm sending it. Sure. I'll do.
I should.
And
Hi, sir.
Quick question, sir.
yes, madam. Please tell me your question, madam. Someone said hi, sir. Please wait, sister. Please wait. Yeah.
Yeah. So, do we get the keywords list also through the email, sir?
Yeah, I need to provide the complete Excel sheet, madam. I'll do.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
Complete Excel, device planner, keywords, because those are the things we need to learn, right? We need to
Yes,
set the
sir.
expectations carefully. We'll do. Yeah, part of the we have to do. I'll send them everyone today. Everyone. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have a small doubt.
Yes, madam. Tell me.
Yeah. What is the difference between ADF and Power Query? Then both we are using ETL, right? So
Madam,
what is the
actually,
need?
I got it. See, purpose of data factory is for ETL required for data warehousing. So there we need to concentrate on identifying incremental data, identifying historical data, performing something called SCD, slowly changing dimensions, dimension modeling, etc. That is the purpose of ADF. Whereas here we do ETL for reporting. So purpose is different. Very simple, sister. Excel also we do ETL. Power
Okay.
Query we do ETL. SQL also we do ETL, but purpose is different. Here purpose is reporting. Their purpose is incremental loads. Power BI don't know how to identify dimension data, or how to identify old historical data. Data factory knows.
Sure, sir. Understood. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Next question, please. I'll wait. Yeah. Fine, friends. So everyone, you'll practice minimum 1 hour, right? Please, my kind request, everyone, please. Yep, please, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Please.
Sir, is there any way that make the class from 8 to 9 instead of 9:15?
8:15 to 9:15, sir, because I have other schedule as well before that. Until actually I have a 6:15, 7:15, 8:15. Okay, back-to-back classes.
Even I have the same question, sir, because it's too late.
Yeah, 9 o'clock office
Sir,
calls.
if it is too late, then you need to go for other schedule, sir. No other option for us, right? Yeah, if it is.
From 9 to 9:15, right? It will be like we'll be mixed with other calls also. So difficult to.
I understand. I'll see if I can find any other trainer for you. Actually, we have other trainer actually, but curriculum will be different. That's for sure. Curriculum will be different. Okay, that's different. See, limitations will be there. We need to understand. Okay, so here are the schedules that we always make them public on the website, and we go for them. We go with them. So here it is. This is our schedule fixed. My schedule fixed. Other trainer, other schedule fixed. Still, none of them work. I need to hire a different trainer from a different agency or whatever, but content will vary. 1000% guaranteed. That's different. See, everyone has their own style of doing things, right? And they're good in their own way. That's different. These are the timings, sir, right? Because schedules we have back to back. Okay, I have back to back schedules with me, so I have to manage the things as well.
Understood, sir. Only that last 15 minutes I have to manage. Oh, it's okay. Yeah.
Sir, one thing, sir, one thing. Let me put this way, sir. That's not a big deal, I think, because let me tell you, every class you have video. I'll provide the video for every class. So maybe that last few minutes, you may walk out of the class, no problem. But make sure like you go through it before the next class. You got my point, sir. You can do that
Okay.
way.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but as friends, everyone, the video will be there for every class, friends. Video will be there for every class, though I repeat the concept. I'll repeat it, but still video will be there for every class for 2 weeks. I want you to depend on the detailed notes. Video will be there in case we are joining bit late or connection problem or need to leave bit early. Practically speaking, we understand, but video will be there for 2 weeks. And within 2 weeks, make sure you go through it thoroughly if required. But my primary focus, my recommendation would be your primary source of examples and practice should be from the detailed step-by-step lyrics, the notes. It should work. Secondary reference will be the video. It will save a lot of time for us. We can get nice concepts in less time.
Can we download videos daily?
Sir,
Sai?
you can download the video. Why I say 2 weeks? Right? No, sir. No. Okay.
So this is for
I don't
future
have this
references. If you want to listen it again, so for just for a future references.
Tell me, sir, how we used to learn a technology 5 years back, 10 years back? I'm going traditional because see, as long as my notes is complete, that's why I said just now, sir. As long as the notes is complete, detailed step by step, there should not be a point for video. In case someone is joining bit late or connection problem or need to leave bit early, in such aspect, I need to provide the video for them. For everyone, notes should be the primary reference. Then only my class will work. Because assignments, task items are outside the notes. Answers will be within the notes. For example, very first class, Chat GPT will not work. Trust me. Try it. Try it. Many people tried it. And I was posting the same on LinkedIn as well before last week. Who recruiter was hashtagging the recruiters. Whoever want questions, technical questions outside Chat GPT, Gemini, and Bard, contact us. We keep updating the interview questions every month. That was my promise, and we are getting good deals now. Here it is. Question 1 and 2. It works. We need to practice from the notes. Understand the concept. Then we are there. Power BI is not just simple drag and drop. There are few questions we may get straight answers, but there are few questions we get only from observations. So let's not expect everything to be available online directly. No. If that is the case, my customer can simply get some project solution from online itself. Why they hire me then? Let's think practically. This course is designed in such a way we learn the concept from the notes. So you get the notes, take the print, get it ready. Please, everyone. I mean, everyone means like who are all going to enroll for them. Okay. I need to do my duty carefully, and I cannot get it downloaded. I know what happens if I get it downloaded. 90% of our participants are from references only. Okay, so I cannot, do it in a different way. At least now I'm 40 now. Maybe after 20 years, I may start giving it away. But now I'm not there enough. I want to cook more bread with butter. I'll continue. In the meantime, my installation complete. My download complete. Let me start the installation. I repeat again, please refer to the notes. Okay, practice from the notes, then it works. Video should be secondary reference. If we feel that is our main primary reference, then it will be kind of support activities, may not be kind of production activities. but our course is more into production, not into support. There is a difference. Let's learn it with a difference carefully, step by step. I am there to support you. Let's continue. Double click on this particular file. Double click on the download file. Make sure you complete the installation. From tomorrow, time did not permit me. So from tomorrow, we are going to start the actual practice. You please do item 1, 2, 3 from this installation notes. And just double click on the setup file. I'll provide you the required download link to complete notes. Download. I need to provide the class notes also in advance. Please take print copies. We are going back to school mode step by step so that we get the concept in a simple way. Let's wait. And don't by heart the steps. Really, because all cloud technologies, interfaces keep changing, you know, but concept remains same. Interface keeps changing, concepts remain same. So we need to understand the root item carefully. That is important here. For example, when Power BI, tomorrow we'll see one interface, right? 100% guaranteed by end of our course, you see new changes. Not only Power BI, any technology, any cloud, same thing. They keep updating themselves. So let's not look for any by heart. Let's look for understanding so that our job is safe always. With this, we'll stop for today. Need your support. And I need to bother you. I need to bother you, my duty, with lot of questions and lot of requests for on-time submission of tasks. Please bear with me. Let's journey together. And attendees are to receive the mail. You'll be receiving it from our team very shortly. Next, any questions, anyone, let me know, please. I'll wait. Anyone, any questions, let me know, please. I'll wait. Yes, email. I could see like email sent for everyone. Kindly check. I could see from our team the email sent for everyone. Kindly check. Kindly check. I'll wait. In the meantime, anyone, any questions, please. I'll wait. I'll stay back. We'll stop for today.
So I didn't get
Farjana,
the email.
Received it.
might be received. Okay, fine. Others might be on the way, sir. Might be on the way, sir. I'll wait for some time.
Hi, sir. Sir, Akanksha here.
Tell me, sister. Tell me.
Yeah, sir. Now I'm continuing the Azure classes. So once I complete, so I'll join the next class.
Yeah,
Is it
better,
okay?
right? You go for one at a time, sister. I understand
Yes,
you're
yes.
already into our Azure data engineering.
Yeah.
I think 1 minute. I think someone else is there in for data engineering. I think in our morning batch. I don't remember exactly.
I continue. I mean, I know Power BI basic intermediate. So can I continue here, or I'll wait for the next batch?
Madam, if
But
you're
you-
aware of the basics, you can happily continue because here we'll be doing it step by step. No problem. No issues.
Okay. Actually, now I'll practice the Azure thing. So yeah, it will be
It's
merged,
up to
right?
you,
So
madam. No problem. Or you can take a break in between and join remaining class in the next batch. We're having 3 modules right here, isn't it? We have 3 Power BI modules. So you can take one module now, take some break, practice the things thoroughly, do the submission of the case study as well. Then join for the next module, next batch. Up to you. No problem.
I'll join the
It's up to
October
you.
batch.
You know it, right, madam? We are flexible. No problem. Okay. We are flexible. That's fine. For remaining classes, join next batch. What is there? No issues.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Yeah, got it. Yeah. Okay.
That's fine. That's
Sir,
fine.
I haven't received the email for that notes and all. Even the starting email of the class, that also not yet received.
Actually,
I
it
have
should be only one
actually.
mail.
Sorry, sir.
It's actually only one mail, sir. One mail. I'll wait,
No,
sir.
no,
I'll
no.
wait until you
At
receive
the
it.
start
I'll
of the
wait.
class as well, I called that out, but I didn't receive it. I actually joined from another email ID. I just ping you my primary email ID registered with you.
Okay, got it, sir.
Because
Give
I
me 1
somehow I
minute.
tried rejoining, but screen was still not visible for me. Hence, I have to register from another email ID.
Got it, sir. Got it. I understand. I'll do the needful.
Even I didn't
Just
receive actually.
1 minute time.
I didn't receive the mail
Give
as
me
well.
1 minute time. I could see like emails got delivered. Please check it once. I'll wait. Please refresh it once again, please. I'll wait. In the meantime, any more questions, please? So every day my first question would be, did you practice? First question, friend. Second question, Did you practice from the video or the notes? These two questions are important for me, really. Practice from the class notes, the Word document transcript. It will save a lot of time. You can concentrate more on the tasks. Practice again and again. That's important. Please, my kind request. Choice is yours. Let's do our best. Hope you received the mail by now. Please confirm.
Yes,
Please.
sir.
I got the mail, sir.
Others, please.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yep.
yes,
Have
yes.
you sent us the second email?